How to enable leave a note on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back. For this video, I'll show you how to enable leave a note on Instagram. To get started, let's open Instagram. And to find the notes on Instagram, you have to tap on the message icon at the right top corner of the page next to the heart. And as you can see, one of my friends have a note, add me on Steam. And if you want to add one as well, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon at the top of your profile picture on the left top corner of this page. And just share whatever you like to add on this note. So maybe you can say hi, and you can even add emojis to it and just tap share. You can also change who you can share it with. You can share it to just your close friends or to all of the followers you follow back. But let's not change that. Let's just tap share at the right top corner, and I have successfully added a note on my Instagram. Now, if you are not seeing this option, there are a couple things you can do. The first one is make sure that your Instagram is updated. So go to your App Store, and on the App Store, just simply look up Instagram and make sure that you have the latest version right here. So let's search Instagram. As you can see, I have open. It means that I have the latest version. That's why I can do it. But if you have to update it, or you should see the update button here. So just tap update and then try again. If that is still if that still didn't fix the problem, another option that you can do is try to delete the app, go back to the App Store and re-download it. Of course, you have to log back into the account, and if that also fails, you can try to switch to professional account. So to do that, try to go to your Instagram and then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen, this tiny one right here, and then tap on the three line icon at the right top corner of the page and tap settings and privacy. You have to just skip all the pop-ups. Now just scroll down and look for account type and tools. So just tap on that and then tap on switch to professional account. And if this option still did not work, one other advice I can give you is that it's probably still not available in your region since this is a new feature. So just try to wait it out and try to keep watching out for more updates and then try again. But that's how easy it is to enable leave a note on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.